Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Marshmello dimension. That's right guys, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Marshmello dimension, and I just hope when I make it inside this absolutely amazing Marshmello dimension that Marshmello teaches me how to become an awesome DJ, guys, because I'm already awesome, but I'd be like a lot more awesome if I was a DJ, guys. So hopefully he teaches me how to become a DJ. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 white wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground. Just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur black wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your white wool. Just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your white wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 black wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a Marshmello, that hurt, guys. That really did hurt a lot. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 white wool on this side. And then 5 white wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 black wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. That really does look amazing, guys. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. This is going to be so amazing, guys. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. That really does look amazing, guys. I absolutely love that. But now it's time to head into the Marshmello dimension. This is going to be so amazing, guys. Oh my god! Is this Marshmello's mansion? Wow, this is amazing. I could definitely see myself living inside this mansion, guys. Wow, I really love Marshmello's mansion. If he ever decides to get rid of this mansion, hopefully he gives it to me, guys, because I really love this mansion, guys. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is absolutely amazing. I'm definitely gonna have to become a DJ now just so I can get a mansion like this, guys. But oh my god, does he have a sports car too? Oh my god, he has a mansion and he also has a sports car. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Wow, he's living the dream. He is living the dream, guys. Wow, I really love this car. You know what? I don't think he would mind if I get in his sports car, guys, because we're like best friends. We're basically roommates. He probably wouldn't mind if I just hopped in his car. So you know what, guys? I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to hop in his car because I don't think he'll mind, guys. Wow, this feels good. This feels really good. You know what this feels like? It feels like I'm sitting on 2 bags of marshmallows right now. And I should know what that feels like, guys, because I actually am sitting on 2 bags of marshmallows right now. Like, I'm actually sitting on 2 bags of marshmallows right now, guys. And it feels really good. Just like this car seat feels really good, guys. So he made a good decision by getting the Marshmello seats, guys. But wow, I really love this car. I could just imagine myself driving down the street in this car at like 10 miles an hour, like passing everybody on their bicycles, guys. And I would just be like flying. Like, really, really flying, guys. I love this car so much, guys. If he ever decides to get rid of it, hopefully he gives it to me, guys, because I really, really want to park that car outside my house, guys, until I learn how to drive. Then I'm going to drive it. But wow, guys. Look at this mansion. I absolutely love this mansion. This is obviously like his outside living room, guys, and it's really nice. Obviously, this is like where he throws all of his parties and everything, and everybody like sits on the sofas and just like talks to each other and whatnot, and just like listens to his music and everything, guys. I need to come to one of these parties because I would love to sit on these sofas and listen to his amazing music, guys. But let's go ahead and check out the inside of this mansion. Wow. This is amazing, guys. Wow, I really love the inside of his mansion. And right here, he has 2 sofas, guys. Obviously, this is just so you can talk to whoever's on the other sofa. But these sofas are really comfortable too, guys. It feels like you're sitting on, I would say, about a bag and a half of marshmallows. Not 2 bags, but about a bag and a half of marshmallows. So, I guess it's decent. It's decent to say the least, guys. It don't feel like his vehicle, though. I really love his vehicle, but I could definitely imagine myself talking to somebody in this room. And you know what, guys? I could just look out the window. If I didn't want to talk to him anymore, guys, I could just look out the window and just see all the animals out there and all the trees out there, guys. And look at that sheep. He's up to something evil. I can tell, guys. I can tell. I think he's up to something evil. I think he's planning on coming in here and maybe beat me up or something. That's what it's looking like. Look at him. Oh my God, he's looking at me. Oh my God, direct eye contact. I'm not looking at him. I'm leaving, guys. But I do love that room. That is a really nice living room, guys. Let's go ahead and let's check out the rest of this place. Obviously, this is the dining room, guys. This is obviously where he eats all of his food, which I would definitely eat my food in this room, guys. Look at this table. This table's amazing. I could just imagine sitting down at this table, eating marshmallow soup, eating marshmallow cereal, eating a marshmallow pie, eating a marshmallow pizza, everything marshmallow. When you're in Marshmello's house, you can only eat marshmallow food, guys. But after I got done eating, I would jump up on the table, and then I would start to shake my butt to marshmallow music. That's right, guys. I would start shaking my butt all over the place, start dancing all over this table, because marshmallows make me really hyper. And that's why I'm only allowed to sit on them, guys. I'm not allowed to eat them, because if I eat them, I get really hyper, guys. And then I start going really crazy. And then I start knocking over things, breaking things, and people start getting angry, guys. So that's why I'm not allowed to eat marshmallows. Although I wish I was, guys, because I would eat a ton of marshmallows, and then that would happen. That's why I'm not allowed to eat marshmallows, guys. Obviously, that's why I'm not allowed to eat marshmallows. But I really do love his dining room, guys. He has a really, really nice dining room. But in here's his kitchen, guys. And wow, this is an amazing kitchen, guys. I really love his kitchen. I especially love his stove. Wow, he has a double stove. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Obviously, he cooks all of his marshmallow food in this stove, guys. And on top of the stove, he probably makes like marshmallow pancakes and marshmallow pizzas and marshmallow subs. Everything marshmallow. I would definitely love to eat some of his food. Over here's his sink, guys. This is obviously where he washes his hands after he makes all of that marshmallow food, because marshmallows, when you cook marshmallows, they get really sticky and they start sticking to your hands. And then when you go to shake people's hands or you go to DJ, then it's all over your hands and you just really can't do it. So you have to wash your hands after you touch melted marshmallows. Trust me, guys. I know. I definitely know. But wow, guys, I really, really love this kitchen, guys. A really, really nice kitchen. I could definitely see myself eating and cooking inside this kitchen. But let's go ahead and let's head on up the staircase, guys, and see what's up here. This is going to be amazing. I already know it, guys. And wow, this is amazing, guys. Wow. And oh my God. Is that Marshmello? Wow, I cannot believe I am actually meeting up with Marshmello. And oh my God, I think he's trying to get on his computer. Is that what you're trying to do, Marshmello? Yeah, that's definitely what he's trying to do. What? Is this my computer? Oh my god, I think he just gave this computer to me so I can play Minecraft on it. So then this must be my bed. Oh my god, this must be my bedroom. Look at him. He's jumping in excitement because he finally has a roommate inside this mansion. Wow, this is amazing. This is the greatest day of my life. Wow, I cannot believe Marshmello gave me a computer. He gave me a bed. Wow, he's the best roommate ever, guys. He is the best roommate ever. I could not have asked for a better roommate because now I can play Minecraft on the computer and I can also jump on my beautiful bed. Wow, thank you so much, Marshmello. But where's your bedroom? Is your bedroom down there? I think his bedroom might be down there, guys. Let's go ahead and check it out. Wow, this must be Marshmello's bed. Wow, he has a really nice bed, and the thing that I love about sharing this place with Marshmello is I will never get scared at night of the boogeyman because he'll be able to see me and I'll be able to see him, so we won't get afraid at night that the boogeyman's going to come from underneath our beds and get us. So hopefully that works out, and hopefully the boogeyman does not get me because I really want to keep all my boogies in my nose, and I don't want the boogeyman picking my boogies for me, guys. But wow, I really love this place. You have an absolutely amazing mansion, Marshmello. Is there anything else that I should know about? Let me go ahead and look out this window. Is there something out this window? Huh, Marshmello? There is? I'm going to go ahead and look. What's out there? Looks like there might be I think like a pool out there. Let's go ahead and see. I'm going to head on out, Marshmello, okay? All right, I'm about to go check it out, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's out here. Oh my god, it's a Marshmello pool. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. He actually has his face in a pool, guys, and he also has a diving board that you can jump off of right into his face. Wow, this is amazing. I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to do it. I'm going to jump right into his face, but before I do it, guys, I'm actually going to go ahead. I'm going to have my pig do it because my pigs always want to jump into Marshmello's face. So, bye-bye, pig. Oh my god, there he goes. Wow, did he do a 360? I think he might have did a 360 jump. I cannot let my pig show me up, guys. I cannot let my pig show me up. So I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 jump too, guys. Let's go ahead and do this. Hopefully it works out. Oh my god. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. And we got to see Marshmello's face all the way down. Wow, that was amazing, guys. That was absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ask Marshmello what did he think about the jump. He probably thought it was amazing as well, guys. He could have probably did a better jump, though. What did you think about it, Marshmello? Did you think it was an amazing jump? You didn't think it was that amazing? Would it have been more amazing if I would have stacked a bunch of TNT up and then jumped into your pool? It would have been. You know what? I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to do it. I'm going to stack this TNT all the way up, guys. I'm going clean up into the sky. And then I'm going to jump down into Marshmello's pool and hopefully land right in the middle of his face. This is going to be amazing, guys. Unless I miss. Then it won't be so amazing, guys. If I miss this jump, it's going to be really bad for me, guys. So hope the best for me. Hopefully this works out, guys. If this don't work out, hopefully I go to Marshmello heaven, guys, because that's always where I want it to go. So let's go ahead and look down. Wow, I'm just gonna do it, guys. I'm just gonna do it. Oh my god, we actually landed in the middle of Marshmello's face. Wow, that was like the most perfect jump I've ever made. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.